Hello friends, this is Bashir Ahmed Gojri. This time with a presentation titled Preamble of the Constitution of India. This presentation is meant for the students preparing for civil services and other state exams. It contains important points about the preamble of Indian Constitution. Introduction. The American Constitution was the first to begin with a preamble. Many countries, including India, followed this practice. Preamble contains the summary or essence of the Constitution. An eminent jurist and constitutional expert, N. A. Pakiwala, called the preamble as the identity card of the Constitution.
Preamble, background and important facts. The word preamble literally means preface of the Constitution. Preamble in Indian Constitution was created based on the objective resolution moved by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru on 13th December 1946. Preamble is non-justiciable, that is, it is not enforceable in any court. Elements in the preamble cannot be altered under Article 368 of the Indian Constitution. As per Supreme Court of India, preamble is a part of Constitution. 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976 added three words to the preamble: socialist, secular and integrity. Now let's have a look on the elements of the preamble. Sovereign. Sovereign is one of the elements of the preamble. India is a sovereign country. It implies that India is an independent state, that no one can exercise authority over it. It also implies that India is neither a dependency nor a dominion of any other nation. Socialist. This element was added to the preamble of Indian Constitution by 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. India is a socialist country implies that India follows democratic socialism. That is, the means of production and distribution are owned and regulated by both state and public. It also implies that mixed economy is a feature of democratic socialism. India is a socialist country. It implies that Indian socialism is a blend of Marxism and Gandhianism. Secular. This element was added to the preamble by 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. India is a secular country. It implies that India has adopted no national religion for the country. It also implies that all religions have same status and support from the state. Justice. Justice is one of the key elements of the preamble to the Constitution. There are three forms of justice: social justice, political justice, economic justice. By social justice, Constitution means that there will be no discrimination in social factors such as race, religion, caste, etc. By political justice, they mean equal access to political offices and equal voice in the government. And by economic justice, they mean equal opportunities for economic growth. Justice is also ensured through fundamental rights and directive principles of state policy. Equality. Equality is one of the elements of the preamble. Equality means equal opportunities for all individuals without any type of discrimination. Constitution of India adopted three forms of equality: civic equality, political equality and economic equality. Civic equality ensures, or it is ensured through fundamental rights. Political equality is ensured through Article 325 and Article 326 of the Indian Constitution, and economic equality is ensured through directive principles of state policy. The next element of the preamble is liberty. Liberty refers to freedom of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. Liberty is ensured through fundamental rights of the Indian Constitution. The next element of the preamble is fraternity. Fraternity refers to brotherhood, friendship, and mutual support. It assures dignity of the individual and unity and integrity of the nation. And fraternity is ensured through the policy of single citizenship. It is ensured through Article 1st of Indian Constitution, which describes India a union of states, and it is also ensured through Article 51A of the fundamental duties. The next element of the preamble to the Indian Constitution is democratic. It implies that India follows representative parliamentary democracy. It is an indirect form of democracy in which people elect representatives to exercise the functions of government. Democratic word also implies that executive is responsible to the legislature for all its policies and actions. It also implies that India has adopted the features of democracy like universal adult franchise, independent judiciary, rule of law, and periodic elections. And the last element of the preamble to the Indian Constitution is a republic. It implies that political sovereignty is vested on the people. It also implies that head of the state is president and president of India is elected indirectly. It also implies that all public offices are open to the public without any class discrimination.
Thank you for watching this presentation. For more such presentations, subscribe the YouTube channel titled Bashir Gujri.